A warm good evening, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you and your family are staying safe during this pandemic. As we all know, the second wave has caused massive deaths throughout the country. So ensure that you follow the rules and regulations, follow social distancing, wear double mask as is recommended now, and stay safe. I am here to give a review on the book written by Indranil Mukherjee, that is Off the Pages. When I first picked up this book of my favorite author, that is Indranil Mukherjee, I knew I was in for a treat and he did not disappoint. I have read the previous two works of the same author by name Rekil and Station Master. What mostly stands out in Indranil Mukherjee's work is well-formed characters, good plot line, interesting narration peppered with humor, and most importantly, what I really look forward is the visual language that is being used. So coming specifically to this book, in this book, the author brings about an out-of-concept idea. As an author, what would you do if the characters of your book comes to life? Some of us might feel happy, some of us might feel amazed and surprised, and some of us won't know how to react. This is exactly what is dealt with in this book. The author in this novel is Dev Narayan, and the detective that he has created, that is Tej Singh, comes to life. And the adventure that follows forms the entire part of the book, and it's really worth a read to live their adventure. Each and every page is filled with adventure. The narration is so seamless, so smooth that you'll be fully into it, fully absorbed in the story. The plot line, what I really like about Indranil's work is he doesn't describe too much, he doesn't bring in unnecessary details. What is required, he brings in, he changes the scene, goes to the next chapter, and the plot flows very well. You don't feel that the events have happened very fast or it's been a very slow story. So the author Indranil Mukherjee does well on the aspects of narration, on the aspects of description, and most importantly on the aspect of characterization. As we all know, well-formed characters, interesting characters, they stay with the reader for a long time. So he has created two memorable characters in the form of Dev and Tej Singh. They have different mannerisms, quirky mannerisms. Dev has his own quirky thinking, quirky humor. Tej has his own macho style. And each and every character has a very unique mannerism, and they are really memorable. I'm sure you will find that as well. And one thing that stands out in every book of Indranil Mukherjee is the visual language that is being used. He always paints a very good picture in his novel. See, whenever you pick up a novel, you see how the author has described a scene. If he has just told what the protagonist is doing, we don't feel much interested. If it is just tell and not show, we won't have much interest. But what Indranil does is he uses good metaphors, he uses good comparisons, he uses the wit and humor, and he paints a vivid picture of each and every scene, and especially the active verbs, and he uses very strong active verbs. I've seen, I myself have noted down a lot of good words or synonyms for walk, for run. That's really appreciable, and that's one thing we all can learn from this author, to use strong visual words to make our writing come alive. And last but not the least, not to mention, the dialogues in this book also were very engaging, very thoughtfully written. And the dialogue tags especially, as I just mentioned, it's not just plain he said, she said, or it's not plain, the common normal dialogues that everyone uses. It's well thought out and made better with the use of visual language. So that's it on my review of the book by Indranil Mukherjee, that is Off the Pages. You can find it on Amazon. You can either get a Kindle version or you can buy paperback, just like how I did. I enjoyed reading this book, and just go for it and you will not be disappointed. Thank you very much.